Getting edgy, creative ideas for awesome garden borders. When it comes to enhancing the visual appeal of outdoor space, garden borders play a role in defining the character of your landscape. Sure, a traditional edge can work wonders, but why not infuse your garden design with creativity and style? Discover unique garden edges that not only delineate areas, but also elevate your entire yard into a work of art. Embrace natural materials. One of the most effective landscaping tips for creating border ideas is to utilize natural materials. River stones, logs, or even bamboo can serve as stunning decorative borders that blend seamlessly into your garden's ecosystem. By choosing materials that resonate with the surrounding flora, you can create an edgy garden with an organic feel. Incorporate artistic structures. For those with a flair for creativity, incorporating sculptural elements as garden borders can dramatically transform your outdoor decor. Consider arched trellises, wrought iron fences, or even whimsical sculptures that guide the eye along your flower bed borders. These artistic additions provide not only functional edges, but also serve as conversation starters, injecting personality into your garden design. Layered plant borders. Creating a multi-tiered effect with plants is an innovative landscaping tip to consider. Use different heights and textures of plants to form a living border that changes with the seasons. For instance, tall perennials can form the backdrop, while vibrant annuals spill over the edge, offering a colorful and dynamic display. This method reflects garden creativity and provides depth to your outdoor space. utilize colorful materials. Why settle for basic when you can introduce an array of colors to your garden borders? Opt for painted wood, colored glass bottles, or even tiles as border ideas. These materials can add a playful touch and act as a striking contrast against the greenery of your flower bed borders, making for an eye-catching display that exudes personality and flair. Integrate functional borders. Think outside the box with your garden borders by incorporating functional elements such as raised beds, herb gardens, or even seating areas. This not only provides a clear demarcation for different sections of your garden, but also enhances usability and aesthetics. An edgy garden isn't just about looks, it's about creating spaces that provide both beauty and practicality. By adopting these creative landscaping ideas, you can redefine what garden borders mean in your outdoor space. Whether you choose a minimalistic approach or an eclectic mix, the key is to let your garden creativity shine while implementing practical landscaping tips. With these strategies, your garden will undoubtedly stand out, leaving a lasting impression on all who experience its beauty.